Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the regular updates. The Lost Little Raindrop. Once, a tiny raindrop named Droppy fell from a fluffy cloud. Droppy got separated from the other raindrops and splashed into a puddle in a little garden. "Hello," said a worm named Wiggles. "Will you help the plants grow?" Droppy was happy to help, so Droppy sank into the soil, giving water to the flowers. Soon the flowers grew tall and bright. The flowers thanked Droppy, saying, "You make us feel alive." Droppy smiled, realizing that getting a little lost had led to a wonderful new home. Moral of the story: getting lost can lead to new and meaningful experiences.